Come test drive the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.